Oh yeah, baby. Scared the crap out of me.
National Weather Service office in Jackson, Kentucky. We've just activated the public warning alarm tone.
Excuse me.
Radio station. Alarm
Oh
system.
yeah.
This is only a test. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of this take and service performance are normally conducted between 11 a.m. and noon Eastern Time each Wednesday. If there is a threat of or severe weather in the area, we will postpone the test and act available for the day. The reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. The variability
That's a real person.
At greater distances, transmitter and will occur. A good quality receiver in good work order. In order to provide the most and dependable warning service possible, we will activate the signal only for the following counties which are within our broadcast reach: Bell, Breathitt, Clay, Floyd, Hollis, Jackson, Knox, Lawrence, Lee, Leslie, Letcher, Martin, Owsley, Perry, Pike County. In West Virginia, Wayne and Joe County. In Virginia, Buchanan, Dixon, Lee, Wise County. Once again, this has been a test of the National Weather Service's radio public warning alarm. We'll now return to record the program. This hazardous weather
they're going to do it again in a minute.
For the following counties in Kentucky: Adair, Casey, Clinton, Greene, Lincoln, Marion, Metcalf, Russell, and Taylor. Day 1, today and tonight.
Here we go. Here we go. Woo! Oh yeah!
This is the National Weather Service office in Jackson, Kentucky. We have just activated the public warning alarm tone as a test of our weather radio station's warning block system. This is only a test. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated to warn of a hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are conducted at 11 a.m. and noon Eastern Time Wednesday. If there is a threat of or severe weather in the area, we'll post the test next available weather day. Reception of this broadcast, especially the warning alarm, will vary at any given location. Variability is more noticeable at greater distance from the transmitter and will occur even if there is a good quality receiver in good work order. In order to provide the most consistent and dependable warning service, we will activate the signal to the following times in our broadcast reach: Adair,
those didn't go off.
Clinton, Greene, Knox, Laurel, Lincoln, Marion, Gray, Metcalf, Pulaski, Rockcastle,
That's my county, Pulaski.
Taylor, Wayne,
Pulaski.
Once again, this has been a test of National Weather Service's radio public warning alarm. Now recorded program. This hazard.
Required weekly test. There. Missed that.